And bro, my girlfriend in college, bro, she was fire, bro. She was like, yo, you need to celebrate. You need to slow down. She was the That's one thing I love about her, bro. Like, when you got anybody, like somebody that can make you present, a teacher can that's see, I be thinking about it, right? I be thinking about it. But I'm always about progression. You know what I'm saying? I'm always about being something different, being something new. Going, it's like, good, like, would I be it again? I was already that. Why would I go back? I'm trying to move past it, progress, and put it all together. Like, what could you be that puts it all together moving forward? I love the fact that I'm every day, every moment, every second, I'm being removed from it. Like, it's officially like, damn. Like, it was one point was, damn, I'm starting it. I was starting this day, and I said, I'm not starting teaching. You know what I'm saying? I said, bam. Today I'm waking up and I'm not going to school. I'm not being a teacher. I'm not being a student. This is the first time I'm actually not, you know what I'm saying? And then sticking with it. And then it's like, damn, this was the last day I taught. This is the last day I taught. This is the last day I was a teacher. Now it's like moving. Now it's like when that day hits, I'm like, I'm a year from even being a teacher, ever. Crazy thing was, just yesterday, I saw one of my former students, and that would have been the last class. She was the first class I taught when I got to Georgia. She would have graduated, and then my last set of students, they graduate this year. Those freshmen graduate this year, and those will be the last group of students to ever say that I was their teacher. That was the last group of students that ever said that I was their teacher. And so figuring out life from here, it's, and again, is once you learn how to live a certain way, you be like, okay, if I just learn how to live a certain way and you apply all these life lessons, I went through this, learned this, went through this, learned that, and then you come to the point where you gotta put all that together and you live a life in such a way that you like, I've learned how to live a completely different way. There's no more monotony in my day. Like, literally no day is like the next day. Like, I be doing, like, that's the scary part and the fun part about being an artist. The teacher, it gets monotonous day in, day out. And then being an artist, one day, that's why I gotta keep this journal. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get every damn day. The good and the bad. You learn to appreciate the good and you learn to appreciate the bad. The bad make you appreciate the good, cause you be like, damn, it used to be good. I know good. And the good make you appreciate the bad. Cause you know, it could be worse. You be like, damn, shit's good right now. It could have been worse.